No, go on then. Honestly, if this is what you want to do, just bring it in.
Christmas, isn't it? Santa? Christmas.
Mate, I don't know that anyone's going to want to watch this. Oh, here's AJ. By the way, he's bought a present for himself.
Yeah, to AJ, from AJ, via, obviously, the big man. Merry Christmas.
To yourself.
Come all the way from America.
That's not in the spirit of things. Is something in there for me?
No.
This is the most selfish unboxing I've ever witnessed. AJ's bought himself something, and you all get to watch it, and I get to film it.
You ready for this then?
Just do it.
Ho, 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 ho. This is a camera gadget bag. There's this one.
Right, how many things did you buy yourself?
Oh, it's a whole box full.
Oh, Merry Christmas, AJ.
This will take part in the Tripod Wars coming 2019 to an in-gap channel near you. LED light.
Now that is really good.
Yeah, it's mine. How about a condenser microphone for your camera? Oh, part of the Tripod Wars. Oosh! Wanted a new camera bag?
Can you do the red one next?
There's a red one. Sensor cleaner. A filter kit for a 58mm lens. This just keeps going on. Oh, that's a colour filter. Oh, it's a polarizer. You know what it is?
Oh, the pistol grip.
Yeah, one of them, you know, stocking fillers.
You're like one of the worst friends I've ever had. That's a lot of stuff you've got yourself.
We've not even finished yet. This is like the ultimate photographer / videographer's Christmas gift. HDMI cable, never have too many of them. It's like a lens cleaner, sensor cleaner, dabber, bob. One of them. Oh, one of them. Wrist strap for DS. It's got like a 1/4" thread and a wrist holder, so you can.
I'm still massively excited for you. Your Christmas.
Memory card bag, USB stick. You know, it is literally everything.
So why have you bought yourself so much stuff?
It's like the epic starter kit. Grab and go reviews, all about starter video makers.
So this is for work?
This is a gift to me to play with until we get to review it for work.
And then we're going to give it away.
I might keep it.
If you give it away, people love competitions.
I'll just... We can give away the USB stick. HDMI cable. How about this?
Okay.
I get to keep the camera.
Right.
We review it all.
Okay.
As a starter kit. And then as a giveaway, we have the HDMI cable and the USB stick.
Mate, how much did you spend on all of this?
All of this? Don't forget your favourite lights in it.
Yeah, I'm okay with that, but it's not my light.
Well, I know, but you get to look at it occasionally.
Right, is this yours or is it for work?
Well, I used the work account.
Right, and how much was it?
It was a bargain. I got a bargain, yeah. It was supposed to be, what, like 700 quid for it all?
Right,
yeah.
And it was?
I saved you 250 quid.
I would say, I like your most selfish present ever.
Yeah.
Let's run a competition with it and give it all away. People love competitions. That's festive.
I mean, I feel
that's festive.
I'm under pressure because obviously we're filming it, so we can talk about it afterwards off camera.
No. On camera right now, rather than it being something for you, let's come clean and say that you want to give it away.
I really want to keep it. Once I've reviewed it, I really want to keep it.
Right, but we're going to give it away.
But I really want to keep it.
We're going to run a competition.
I really want to keep it.
We're going to review it.
It's got a lens in it as well.
We're going to review it.
Yeah.
And give it away.
I'm going to do a review on it all, and then I'm going to keep...
That's not going to work. I need a word off camera. Right, so just do another try. Do it. Look, stop making a fuss about it, and just give me one take.
If you have to... I'm going to review this all and then give it away.
No.
This is the best starter kit ever.
Turn the box round.
Possibly the best starter kit ever, and we're going to give it away.
That's it. Now you'll keep them hooked. They'll be watching the next video.
Keep it.
You're not keeping it, AJ.